everyone, Jesus Emporium here. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, everyone, I will be unboxing. Obviously, I got one here. So I will be unboxing 3 stuff. So yeah, let's begin the unboxing. Okay, I can't really wait though. I am so excited. This is some kind of stuff that I will be using in my vacation in 2 months. Okay, so ta-da! Please careful in using sharp objects. Okay. It's gonna be another exciting vacation for 2 months. Can you imagine that? For 2 months. So I got one here. Ta-da! Isn't it cool? So this is 135 grams, meaning I am able to transport this without any permit, right? So I will be having this in my vacation soon. Pretty cool, no? And of course, I got the housing or casing for this. See, it looks very heavy duty though, and this is a waterproof case too. Zipper seems to slide perfectly smoothly, and I got a sling here which has a very heavy duty hook. I can see that. And there is one space for the drone and another one is for the controller. And some kind of batteries. This is pretty good space though. Roomy in the inside as it is. Yeah, hopefully this works well. And I will keep you posted on that too. Really cool. And open up this. Oh, DJI Neo 4K. This is a kind of drone that follow me. Land it to your hand and voila. So I got this one here. The instruction and aha. Isn't it cool? Exciting. Ooh. Look at this. And of course, I will try this here, while under warranty. And I believe this is what? The, and this one. And yeah. Ooh, this is the extra for the, okay. And is the battery in already? Possibly. Oh yeah, this one here. So, isn't it exciting? Ha ha. Okay, so this is my new stuff for my vlog, because I ordered a inflatable boat in the Philippines. I have that ordered already and it's on its way. And I also ordered a kayak. That's a kayak, an inflatable boat, right? And I also ordered a stand-up paddle. So I will do an unboxing. Okay, so this is it. So the battery, I only got one battery for now, and I will order for the reserve one. So open up this, and here it comes. And that's the camera facing towards the operator. Okay, so and it has a built-in battery, guys, meaning chargeable. And I believe the memory is built into in this gadget or in this this stuff. And I have the manual here. These are the manual, that one there. Okay, we will open this too. Very exciting. So I do my search from this stuff, and this is seems like the best stuff I ever read from all the reviews, so I thought to order this one too. This is a floating kind of pouch. It float in the water or in the ocean, or you know oh wow, seems like very good material though. And that is the sling for that. Yeah, seems pretty good. Looks like very heavy duty, hopefully. And that's the connector, and that's the opener. You can slide that, and that one there, slide, take that out, and we can put the phone inside. And yeah, and that's the adjustment for the volumes of the phone, and the other one side too, so depending on what model you have, really. Good material though. So, and I will do my review in this product as soon as I will be using this. All right, so like, wow, this is very cool. So this is my phone pouch. We never know in the water, so better safe. And here is the adjustment from the bottom, those iPhone thing. We have this here, so that goes there, and this one too. So this has a variety of, or I would say this kind of pouch has a different iPhone model. So yeah, you can go check. I will put the link in this pouch too for your preference, guys. And this one, and so this one too, and the rest of the casing too. I will put all the link down below in this video, so you have some kind of reference. So yeah. Ah, thank you very much for watching. I am super, super excited and happy to have my new gadget in this vlog. So, thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you for all your support. Bye bye for now.